Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up, what up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican cooking. But we are in a different location. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. TGIF, yeah. Jerk chicken Friday, Jamaican thing, yeah. Jerk chicken video is here. Now, get them a shot, camera girl. Shoot them up. This is all we have we thing. Sorry guys, if you hear anything, we're on the outside, so you have to go expect some little extra noise. So this is how you wanna lay out your coal inside of your jerk pan. Yeah. My boy, my jerk pan, fire back him name. Yeah, okay. So right now we're gonna use a little kerosene. So your girl Debbie, you know I'm in a ramp, yeah. So we're gonna dose it up like this, yeah, and we're gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna catch, taking you all from scratch, you know me do my thing, yeah, and we're gonna leave it to burn off. This is the grill, this is my grill, and we're gonna whoops, fit it on top, and we are gonna leave it to burn right off. When it's burned right off, maybe another 15 minutes, and all that flame is off, and we have all charcoals. We come back and you will see we have a grill supposed to get hot. We're gonna put on with seasoned jerk chicken. Remember, the seasoning of the jerk chicken is on the channel, and we'll leave for you the link in the description. When you see the back, grill should be ready and chicken ready for go pan grill. Yes, family, we are right back. Yeah. And this is how you want you have your jerk pan looking. Yeah. Kinda eat up. Yeah. And so we chicken here, we take off all of most of the herbs. And this is how your chicken gonna look. We're going to start pack them on top of our grill. So you're putting them skin side down. And you're getting a little sizzle. Okay? You can hear the sizzle. So you're putting it, and you want to have some of these fat. You don't want to take them off, because you want to have some of them on it. By the time they finish jerking, they will come down, because the chicken have to stay moist. So you have to leave a little lot of fat. If your chicken have a little fat like that, you leave some that you can, you have your chicken moist. So we are pack on with chicken. We have a few pieces of chicken pan we grill, because you can see some jerk pan can hold it for foul, Okay, so we pack it on, because remember the fire is lengthwise like this. So we pack it on, and as soon as we cover it down and the heat come up on it and it start to drip and the fat go down and it smoke, the chicken will be absorbing the smoke, and as soon as the side we start to take color, we'll start turning from side to side. So we'll come back and we'll make you know what happened. See at the corner here, right here, camera girl, we have the ear vent. So as soon as we get too much in ashes, and so we're going to have to shuffle it up, take out some of the excess ashes and so forth. So this is how the grill look when you put on your jerk chicken. See the flame coming up. As soon as the heat take it and it start to drip, the fat, the juice, it going start to smoke, and the chicken will be infused with the smoke and all of that. So we're going to cover down now, and then during the jerking process we have to come back a few times, turning from side to side, and we have to wet it with some liquid, but we're going to show you what we are going to wet it with, okay? And all of you are in tune to the Debbie's train will realize that I'm in my backyard. Those of you who have not yet subscribed to the Jamaican Debbie's, I want you to hop right on over. We'll have the link in the description, because you'll be quite familiar to know that this is my backyard. I've not rented anywhere, and this is my jerk pan. So see you all when we get jerking for real, okay? Family, about 15 minutes in at the side of the jerking process, and see how your pan look. You want to the smoke all over, and we have a little chimney thing where the heat and something that come through. So we are lift up now, so you know it's gonna be like all camera girl you have to sort out, because the whole of smoke and something with the lens. So we are gonna lift up here so now, and so we look like we start jerking. First thing we are gonna cool down with some red stripe beer. Yeah, Jamaican thing, that's how we set up the thing. Yeah, so you start cool down with some red stripe beer. Yeah, and we get the thing infused. So we start look like we start jerking. So meanwhile jerking, you have to be wetting up to keep the chicken moist. Because when it's finished jerking, You have moist chicken and not dry jerk chicken, dry and trashy. So here we go. This is what we look like, and you have to be monitoring it closely. Alright, so we're gonna get one more wet. Yeah. Thing I got turn up like that. We are close the pan as we go along, okay? Family. See we are. Your sister we look like we are jerk though. Eh? Your sister they be down a yard a jerk, yeah. That's how we stay, eh? Yeah? We are jerk. And those that are taking color faster, you kind of move them off from under the direct heat in so the direct heat right there. So once you see these are color too fast, you kind of, you know, move them from over the direct heat and put them one side. Yeah? Alright. Right here, so we have a little thing with a little jerk sauce, yeah? I'm gonna leave this right here to get it infused with the heat. Because we are going to want, when the chicken done, we have little of this. But we want it to have the jerky taste. So I have a frozen scotch bonnet, and we are going to leave the link, the one what we use. So we are going to leave this right here, so we get it infused with, yes, my salt. We get it infused with the smoke and so on. So step back. So once more, we are going to look at it again. Yeah. You see me look like me go on here? Yeah. So when you see we back again, the jerk chicken is supposed to finish. Yeah, and we sauce supposed to be properly infused. We are going to show you where to take them off of the grill. See? Yeah, family, me I go pan my grill now. And I think it's time. Okay, y'all? Right in camera girl, right in. Wow. So here we are. Get them a shot, camera girl. Shoot them up, shoot them up. Now. You know the right jerk chicken is not burned. They must have a little charredness. Charred. This is not burned. This is charred. So we'll put them inside there. Yep. So we have a jerk chicken. We have to take them off of the grill. Juicy, not dried. Yep. Wow. I will leave a foul, you know. You know, so me and I so much foul. Right in camera, girl. Right in. A good thing say they be down a yard of our thing lock. This is it, y'all. This is it, y'all. This is it. Shoot them up, camera, girl. Shoot them up. So we're going inside now with this, with the lot. We're coming back to take out our sauce, and when you see us again, we're going to show you how we serve up with jerk chicken and what we serve you up with. Seeing? Yes, family, we're inside now, and y'all know I'm not going to prepare any dish for you and don't show you the finished product. I'm not going to dish up some. So right here, so we have a few festival we'll prepare. Give them a shot, camera girl. Yeah, and you know the Jamaican thing with file paper. Oops. Wow. It's always good to have some antowilla and zeman. So, from a jerk chicken we say, file paper of the inside. You know what happened? I'm bringing you right back to Friday evening. Put the camera upon me, cool. I'm bringing you all right back to Friday evenings in Jamaica. When you leave work and go by the jerk chicken joint, yeah, or if you any community you live on the corner or something with them jerk chicken, you go there to get some of this for dinner. I know say on Friday Jamaicans will not cook like that. So I'm bringing back the memories, y'all. Okay, so look here, me I look piece of the charred one, and me I show you. Yeah, and you go up on the, you don't know say that's how the thing set. We are going to chop it with the chopper. See? You know we are making a noise. Yeah. And when you chop it, you don't make it go away far. See? Don't like a piece of your wing. Yeah. And nothing. Because I love wing too. See? You see what thing do? See what thing? Alright, so yeah, straight up. So the thing's set. And you know it's a Jamaican thing. I'm glad say Friday come. Yeah. So you know, so we have put few, oops, wow, festivals to the side. Cause you know, say, and mostly that it's served with or hardware bread. Okay, so I'm going to clean up the area. Cause I know, say, I have to present it, make you all see it, and I don't know why I have this little uninvited guest, which is a fly inside my kitchen. But you know the jerk in and out to and from that apple. Okay, y'all? So, we have over here the little jerk sauce. That is if you want. If you want, eh? So you just, not a lot, you know. Just the kind of, you know, that chicken something there. So from my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen. From my Jamaican backyard. Today is Friday. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. It's jerk chicken from scratch, served with a little festival. And you don't know as Jamaican, if you did that, you don't wash it down with one of this ice cold. Okay, y'all. So if you have liked this video, long awaited, long anticipated, the link for the festival, we're gonna leave it in the description. The festival video is up, or we season with jerk chicken, it's up. We're gonna leave all those links. So from my kitchen once more to yours, it's jerk chicken, Jamaican style. Most time on a Friday. Thank God it's Friday, y'all. Okay, Debbie from down a yard, you know I all love you.